Hi, and welcome to Exploring the Outdoors. I'm Tim, and this right here is the ZeroBreeze Mark II air conditioner. So for my friends that are from other countries that don't use the Fahrenheit system like we do here, the little display right here on mine is reading 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to show you how to change that to Celsius because yes, that is possible. You can do it. Up here on your top where all your buttons are, there are several multi-function buttons up here. There's car mode. There's to turn all the lights off, and there's also to change the readout to read Celsius. So all you have to do that is, I believe it's pressing the light button. Yep, press the light button, and now we're reading 15.5 degrees Celsius. Press it again, and now we're back to Fahrenheit, reading 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll bring you in here for a close-up. Well, there you go. So if you're in another country and you go by Celsius, there's an easy way to change your display to Celsius, so it helps you out. I hope you enjoyed the content that I'm making here on the ZeroBreeze Mark II air conditioner. And if you have any questions or you have any ideas or anything you want to see or whatever, just shoot me up in the comments, and I'll either make a video about it or try to help you out as best I can. Anyway, like and subscribe to my channel if you don't mind, if you like the content. And we'll catch you later. Enjoy and stay cool.